Today, we will talk about how to ask a guy to be your boyfriend. Let's have a look at the details. Asking a guy to be your boyfriend can be scary, but it doesn't have to be. With the right mindset, you can have a meaningful conversation about the future of your relationship with a guy without feeling stressed. The first step is deciding if you are ready. Determine whether you're ready to commit. The decision to commit can be a tricky one. Take the length of your relationship into consideration. Asking your guy to be your boyfriend too soon can scare him off if the feeling isn't mutual, but waiting too long can create confusion and hurt feelings. Identify whether the guy is interested. You should have some indication about how the guy feels about you. Prepare yourself for rejection. While you're hoping he agrees to be your boyfriend, keep in mind that he might say no. Think about how you will respond to a rejection. The second step is choosing the right moment. Plan ahead. It will be easier for you if you know when you are going to ask the question. You can practice the conversation ahead of time. Meet in person. It might be tempting to text or message a guy to ask him, but these questions are best dealt with in person. Determine a good place for conversation. There is no one right place to have the relationship talk, but it should be a place where you can both express your feelings and discuss your future together. Wait until a good moment to introduce the topic. Wait for a moment that feels right or special. The third step is asking the question. Start with a compliment. Tell the guy what you like about him. This flattery will relax him, and it will make the relationship question much easier to broach. A compliment about his humor, intelligence, or kindness is a good way to signal how you think about him. Explain your feelings about him. Once you have started on a positive note, it may be easy to start explaining your feelings for him. Ask your guy if he wants to be your boyfriend. It is best to ask him directly about whether or not he is ready to be your boyfriend. Depending on the situation, you can approach this question in a number of different ways. Give him time to respond. The guy might be feeling pressured or uncomfortable by the question. If he appears anxious, uncomfortable, or hesitant, you might want to give him a day or two to think over his answer. Handle rejection gracefully. If he states that he does not want to be your boyfriend, try to remain positive. Try to smile, and let him know that you understand. He may be content with continuing a casual relationship, or he may want to end things there. Consider your own feelings before proceeding. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.